Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic of our video is what is secondary batteries, types of secondary batteries, and what would you say if you were asked in an interview. Let's start this video. What is secondary batteries? Secondary batteries, also known as rechargeable batteries, are batteries that can be charged and discharged multiple times, making them ideal for use in a variety of devices, from smartphones and laptops to electric cars and power tools. There are several types of secondary batteries, each with its unique properties and characteristics. Types of secondary batteries. Lead-acid batteries. Lead-acid batteries are the oldest and most widely used rechargeable battery type. They are commonly used in automobiles, backup power supplies, and forklifts. Lead-acid batteries use lead and lead dioxide electrodes and an electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid to store and release electrical energy. They are known for their durability, low cost, and high current capability. However, they are heavy and have a relatively low energy density compared to newer battery technologies. Nickel-cadmium batteries. Nickel-cadmium (NiCad) batteries were once a popular type of rechargeable battery used in cordless phones, power tools, and other consumer electronics. NiCad batteries use a cadmium electrode and a nickel oxide hydroxide electrode, and an alkaline electrolyte solution. NiCad batteries are known for their long cycle life, high discharge rates, and resistance to extreme temperatures. However, they are being phased out due to their high toxicity and environmental impact. Nickel metal hydride batteries. Nickel metal hydride (NiMH) batteries are a newer and more environmentally friendly alternative to NiCad batteries. They are commonly used in portable electronic devices and hybrid cars. NiMH batteries use a hydrogen-absorbing alloy electrode and a nickel oxide hydroxide electrode, and an alkaline electrolyte solution. They have a higher energy density than NiCad batteries, a longer cycle life, and are less toxic. However, they have a lower maximum discharge rate and can suffer from memory effect if not properly charged and discharged. Lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion (Li-ion) batteries are the most popular type of rechargeable battery used in portable electronic devices, electric cars, and renewable energy systems. They use lithium cobalt oxide or other lithium-based materials as the positive electrode, and graphite or other carbon-based materials as the negative electrode, and a liquid or gel electrolyte solution. Li-ion batteries are known for their high energy density, long cycle life, and low self-discharge rate. They are also lightweight and have a high power density. However, they can be expensive, and their performance can be affected by extreme temperatures and overcharging. If you are asked in the interview that what is secondary batteries, then you can say this. Secondary battery is a type of rechargeable battery that can be charged and discharged multiple times, making it an ideal energy storage solution for a variety of applications. Unlike primary batteries, which are disposable and cannot be recharged, secondary batteries can be reused multiple times, reducing waste and saving money over the long term. There are several types of secondary batteries available, including lithium-ion, nickel metal hydride, and lead-acid batteries, each with its unique properties and characteristics. Understanding the differences between these batteries can help you choose the right one for your specific needs.